Crypto Bros, do you know Fiverr, the platform to find freelancers, or if you are a freelancer, you can offer your services to potential companies. Okay, now what is happening is Deelance is doing this very similar thing, but in a Web3 space, and this is completely peer-to-peer decentralized. Now in this video, we're gonna review Deelance, we're gonna see what this is, what they are bringing to the market. Before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, do your, okay? Especially when we are talking about pre-sales, small caps, this is 100% very important that you read a white paper and actually understand what's happening here, because the biggest risk is here. But now let me show you what Deelance is basically. All right, so the thing is, these Web3 platforms take a high fee from your earnings when you are offering some freelance services. Now on Deelance, they only take 2%. Okay, so that's the thing. So look, Deelance is a freelancing and recruitment platform based on Web3. The difference with Fiverr is that, look, Deelance is fully decentralized, only 2% commission, unlimited ownership, instant withdrawal, recruitment platform. Now, if you look, this is a comparison. Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer is decentralized, content ownership. You got no limit on a task size comparing to other where you have a limit. Now look, on Fiverr, a client fee is 20%. Freelancer fee, here's 20%, here's 10%, on Fiverr is 20%. Now it's a huge task to overcome platforms like that, like Fiverr, like Upwork. They already have a huge brand, huge marketing. This is a very difficult task. I'm not gonna lie, this is a very difficult task. Now this is the tokenomics, so for the team 10%, for the pre-sale 30%, liquidity 10%. I wish there was more for the liquidity. Centralized exchanges 16%, ecosystem 18%. Now they have the metaverse demo. Let's see what is this. All right, I tried connecting here to the demo version of the metaverse. So it could make sense. Imagine you connect on the metaverse with freelancer if you need service. The thing is, it doesn't work for now. I don't know if there is a maintenance or something, but can't join anything. I can't do anything here. They use a software from Demodern. On Twitter, they have 17,000 people. On Telegram, 1.4 thousand. So Deelance is the token that's going to be around the ecosystem. And now in Q3 this year, they are planning to launch the freelance platform, the beta version. So now imagine also they're going to have NFTs, which is going to be like a membership. And for example, with the premium one, you will receive a 2% fee waive. So there's 1 billion total supply. Can see more. So there's, once again, Deelance is a token. 1 billion is a total supply. And look, you're going to use the token to pay for the services or to purchase additional features within the Deelance ecosystem. So fee from the platform is going to be also the token use case, okay? So you're going to pay for the fees in the token if you're going to be willing to use the platform, but it's coming in Q3. I wish I could see the platform now, but unfortunately we have to wait for the Q3 for the launch. Yeah, once again, there's a 30% for the pre-sale. I'll leave you a link to the white paper right here in the description, so check this out. And basically that's it. Once again, join their social media if you want. I'll leave you all the links to their social media channels and the website. And once again, the white paper, make sure to check this out. And by the way, if you haven't seen the episode from Dubai, make sure to check this out. We recorded 3 episodes. Maybe when you're watching this video, maybe the second episode has been already out. So check this out. I'll catch you once again in the next one.